Alright, this is Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We are doing a repair here. This is obviously something that is going to be impossible to come out, so we're going to end up patching it. I want you to see a video before and after. We're going to make sure that we try to make it as seamless as possible, and stand by. So in order to make sure the patch is as seamless as possible, we have to see the direction of the fibers. So we have identified now it's going from left to right. And then as soon as we're providing the cut now, and then the customer has some remnants that we're going to use for the replacement after it's been seamed together. We will go ahead and do the carpet clean extraction to try to match everything all together. So this is what we cut out. We cut out all the damaged portions. This is actually old padding they have in here, really old padding. But this is what we have here, and now we're gonna put the carpet patch. We got this from our basement. It was a remnant that she was just using as a floor carpet. Alright, so we're all set here. As you can see, the patching and the cleaning went super well. If you need any type of work like this, please give us a call, 703-592-9052. All work is guaranteed. Thank you so much. Bye.